Let me tell you why after 1,000 miles of riding the Honda Grom, why I don't like it. Welcome back to 21 Moto. We are out here riding with the San Diego Grom's crew in the house. We're gonna make our way. We're in Carmel Valley, or San Diego, and then we're gonna make our way down to Temecula, or up to Temecula on the Groms, believe it or not. It's gonna be wild. We're gonna hit 1,000 miles on this ride. I'm at 987 miles right now. We'll be doing some talking about the Grom and my 1,000 mile review, my thoughts on the bike after 1,000 miles of riding the Grom. So stay tuned. Let's go. Chilling at the light. Go bump, fist bump. Let's go. Boom. Boom. Why I don't like the Grom after 1,000 miles of riding? Because I freaking love it. That's why. You got clickbaited. Keep watching. Yes, you got clickbaited. I'm sorry. The Grom is amazing. I don't like the Grom because I freaking love the Grom. It's been such a cool experience owning it for the past 1,000 miles. I mean, 988 miles to be exact. We're not at 1,000 yet. Okay, let's be real. But so far, it's been amazing. It's been fun. It's easy to mod. It's for someone like me that has no mechanical experience. I'm not a mechanic. I don't even work on my own cars, right? It's easy to wrench on, right? To get started, to build that confidence to start to work on your bikes and motorcycles and cars and stuff, right? So it's really cool. It's super fun. Just not being able to get on the freeways, although at first it seems like a negative, it's such a big positive. I've gotten to know my city, San Diego, and all the little suburbs around San Diego so much better because I can't go on the freeways. I have to go through the actual city and see all the different things and explore. It's amazing. So especially now that I got this mount on here with that I can put my phone right here. It's like a GPS right there. Look at that. It's perfect. I set my phone, I set it to avoid toll roads and avoid freeways, and the phone just does it all for you. Okay, you're learning all these new routes like this. I've never been on this road before. I've never had to be on this road before, but look how beautiful it is. Look at, I love how the trees overhang and cover the whole road like a canopy. That's beautiful. Look at how beautiful this road is, right? This is things that I wouldn't see if I was in my truck or in my car going fast. Even on a fast bike, sometimes you're trying to get somewhere, you take the freeway, right? Anyway, so many positive things about owning a Grom, about getting a Grom. If you're even thinking about getting a Grom, man, you just need to pull the trigger and do it, because you're missing out on all the adventures you could be having. You know, it's crazy. There's a video earlier I did that you guys will see. Hopefully it will be out by now, where we went off-roading with the Grom. You know, it's pretty cool. Anyway, Grom is awesome. Should definitely get one if you're thinking about it. If you have any questions about the Grom, about my setup, I've listed all of the mods I've done so far on this Grom in the description of all my videos, so everything is there. Where it's at right now with the Stage 2 DHM setup, it's more than enough for what it does, for what I needed to do. It's perfect. The DHM Stage 2 setup is perfect for me, for the type of stuff you see me doing on these videos. We talked about the discovering your city, seeing your city in a different way, or seeing all the different hidden parts of your city, because you're having to take city roads, right, without getting off the freeways. Getting off the freeways. We talked about that. Working on your machine. You know, like, it's not threatening. It's such an easy bike to work on. Everything is available for you. Like, out there's so many mods. There's so many people modding the bikes. There's videos for everything. You know, you can learn how to do an oil change, I replaced my cam, for crying out loud, guys. I've never done any kind of engine work, and I'm over here replacing the freaking cam and checking clearances on the valves, right? How wild is that? Never in 100 years would I thought I'd be doing valve adjustments on a motorcycle, you know. But it's so easy to do that it's like you just go ahead and do it, you know. You watch the videos 3 or 4 times, you know all the steps, you know all the pitfalls, you get all your tools ready, you get all the parts, and you freaking go to town, you know. And sometimes things don't fit just right, or you feel like it's not working for you, and you get a little frustrated. But you get over it, try it again, and you get it done, and that's good, you know. That's a good life lesson, right? All right, so we talked about exploring your city. We talked about learning how to wrench, and easy way to get started with like working on motors and working on cars or whatever, right? Another thing, which is probably the best thing of all, is you get to find all these new friends you never knew. You were never gonna have all these new friends because you were never riding, right? Like Yusuf back there, Jared back there. We're gonna go meet Jose and Jordan probably. Now we have like a whole group of people that ride together, right? And that's really nice. You get to meet people that you probably would never get exposed to because your lives are so different that you don't have anything in common. Like somebody, like just pretend, right? Like I work on computers, I work on networks, and somebody that's a doctor maybe also rides a Grom, right? Like they would never come in contact with me, right? But because we are riding Groms, all of a sudden you get exposed to people that you would never get exposed to in real life. So it's pretty cool, and you end up making friends, you know. Of course, some people you're not gonna gel with, and they might annoy you, right? But you're gonna find some people that are like, oh man, I feel like we've been friends for a long time, and like it's just how it works, you know. Some people that have the same vibe that you like, and same style, and you go ride with those people more, you know. It's just become more of your riding friends, and then some of those riding friends will evolve into life friends, you know. Like you do other stuff besides ride together, you know. Like maybe like everybody's at different stages in their lives. Like some people have kids, some people are single, right? But like you meet another rider that kind of has your same style, and maybe they have kids the same age as your kids, right? And now you guys are doing stuff as a family, with the families, you know. So it's kind of cool. Or like you're single and your riding friends are single, and now you guys are gonna go hit the club together, you know. That's kind of cool. It's really cool. Anyway, a lot of cool things, a lot of benefits of not just owning a Grom, but owning a motorcycle in general. Okay. All right, boys, 999 miles right there. We're about to hit 1,000 miles. Oh, there it is. Let's go. 999 miles. Let's see. Let's go. 999 miles. There it is. 1,000 miles on the Grom. Let's go, baby. 1,000 miles. There it is, the exact moment when we hit 1,000 miles. Very cool. Very cool. Let's go. How you doing, man? Good to see you, Jordan. Sexy guy. What's your name? Jordan? Yeah. Here we are. We made it to Temecula. We made it! We made it! Temecula, established 1859. Now we're cruising down, rumbling down the street. That's right. San Diego Groms and Temecula, boys. Oh, let's go. Small town, chillin'. Look at this, famous giant cinnamon rolls. Let's go. Historic Route 395. That's cool. Let's go, cowgirl. City Hall. Just looking for somewhere to park at this point. We're going to that bridge right now. It's a cool little bridge. So cool. We made it to the coin op, guys. That's so cool. Ninja Turtles arcade machine. This is classic. Oh man. We're at the coin op, and that's in Temecula. Look at these posters. They're so cool. The freak show. Classic. Oh, so juicy. Look at that. And Mortal Kombat. Oh, son. Scorpion.
All right, that was a super fun outing. Temecula. That was a fun ride. We did about 128 miles that day. So at 128 miles, 21 cents per mile. Well, we ended up purchasing $26.88 worth of Bitcoin. And at the time, the price of Bitcoin was $69,307.45. So we were able to stack an additional 0.00038423 Bitcoin, or you can also call it $38,500 423 Satoshis for that day. And that brings our overall total for the miles we put on the Grom and the Bitcoin that's associated with that mileage to 1,100 miles, right on the dot. 1,100 miles at the end of this ride. And that puts our Bitcoin stack at 0.00356862 Bitcoin, or you can call it 356,862 Satoshis. Remember, Satoshis are a fraction of a Bitcoin. Just like a dollar is made up of 100 cents, a Bitcoin is made up of 100 million Satoshis. So we're stacking Satoshis until we can get to 100 million Satoshis. That's one Bitcoin. But I doubt we'll do it with this Grom. But the whole point is that you don't need to have a whole Bitcoin to enjoy the benefits of having your value saved aside from inflation and shielded from inflation. Our 356,862 Satoshis are currently worth $342, right? If we had just saved the savings in gas, we would have about $230 in savings. But since we put it in Bitcoin, it's now worth $342, right? So now, with our break-even mileage of 27,143 miles, we are about 529 miles ahead of schedule. So if we were just saving in cash, we would still need 26,043 miles to break even. But since we're saving in Bitcoin and the price of that Bitcoin is going up in value, then we are now currently only need 25,514 miles to break even, for a total of 529 miles ahead of schedule, which is pretty damn awesome. 1,000 miles on the Grom. It's been a journey and it's awesome. And like I said, I don't regret buying the Grom. I don't regret any of the mods. It's just been a super fun thing to have. Good on the commute and good for overall just fun, getting out, clearing your head, and getting on the road. So if you're thinking about it, stop thinking about it. Just get one, especially now that those new tariffs are coming, right? Think about it. 25% tariffs means that they're going to increase the price of goods coming into the country. So that those 25% tariffs get paid by the people, by the dealers importing those motorcycles, right? So if you want to buy a motorcycle, a brand new one, even a used motorcycle is probably going to go up in value. So buy a motorcycle as soon as you can if you're even thinking about it before the tariffs hit, because when the tariffs hit, the prices are going to go up about 25% minimum. All right, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't already. Do me a favor and go watch this video next. I think you're going to dig it.